All right, we are making vegan pistachio and cardamom ice cream. Here we go, start cooking. First we add some cardamom, then some pistachios, cashews, and monk fruit. Next, chop. Now add your non-dairy milk. And some vanilla bean paste. I'll add some maple syrup. And now heat up your mixture. Now we are pouring the chilled mixture into the ice cube trays. Our mixture is frozen. We are ready to start blending. Okay, let's make some ice cream. Now I'm going to insert the butterfly whisk. Okay, and now we are whipping. This is gonna get the texture to be like perfect ice cream. Just wait till you see. Oh my God, that looks so good. Yes, homemade ice cream. What? Guys, look at this ice cream. Can you believe it? Can you believe how yummy this looks? I can't believe it. I made real ice cream, healthy ice cream, vegan ice cream, and it tastes better than real ice cream. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm so happy right now.